Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. Today we are going to do NumPy with a different technique. Basically, before doing this NumPy, I just want to suggest you to learn this in a depth so that you can do the machine learning fast. Now NumPy is what? NumPy is a core library for the scientific computing in Python. It provides a high performance multi-dimensional array object and tools for working with these arrays. Actually, how to work on the arrays, we will learn it in the detail, and I'll assure you after this tutorial you can learn the NumPy in a better manner. So we'll move forward. Next one is the arrays. Arrays is the one of the thing that you have to be covered in a in a best possible way. NumPy array is a grid of values all of the same type, and it is indexed by the tuple of the non-negative integers. The number of the dimension in the rank of the array. The shape of the array is a tuple of integers giving the size of the array along each dimension. So let us begin our lecture with some practical aspect of the NumPy array. So before that, to understand the NumPy in a better way, we will start it to understand first of all what is an array and how it is coded with the help of NumPy. So indexing an array is the first key aspect that you must have to learn. Indexing is used to obtain the individual element from an array, but it can be used to obtain entire row, column or planes from multi-dimensional array. We will see these all with one examples. So let us start with the indexing in one dimension. So we create one dimension NumPy array from a list like this. Import NumPy as NP. See, import NumPy is a library that we have to import before doing all this thing. So if I copy this code and run this code on IBM, so for the sake of this I am launching a new notebook. So in the new notebook Python, I'm taking a Python. So if I run this thing, import NumPy, now what I am doing is this is an array. See, if we are writing it in bracket and this will create an array of this 1 2 3 4. This is pre-claimed. I am showing you this is the result we are getting. So let us run this and see whether we are getting this or not. See, we are getting 1 2 3 4. So it is a simple way to represent an array. You just have to write it in this way. You can find the array, one dimensional array like this. Now come to this. If I want to, one thing you have to understand, this is A0, this is A1, this is A2 and this is A3, this is 0. So if I want to write A1 0, so A1 0 I am getting 1. Okay, we'll do this in a practical also, whether we are getting 1 or not. So I am moving back and paste it here and run this. See, we are getting 1. Similarly, if you want to see 3, I mean to say what result we are getting, you just mention in the comment box, but I am tell you that this 3 indicates this is 0 1 2 3. Our answer must be 4. I'll running this and we'll check. See, we are getting 4. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, in an array this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? So let us begin and move forward. Now moving towards the indexing in 2 dimensions. See, first of all you have to know how to create a 2-dimension array. This is similarly that as we did it in 1 dimension, we will do the practical. See, when I pasted here, the 2-dimension array means there is a length as well as there is a width. Means this is your rows and this is your column. Rows are represented by I and columns are represented by J. So when I run this, then this will create an array. If you want to see that, you just type A2 because I named it A2. See, this is the array that we are getting. you can understand it by here also. This is an I, means the number of rows, and this is j, which represents the number of column. Now this is very important if you want to see one of the element of the matrix. Then how you can do it? Let us suppose we are naming it A2. A2 means it is a two-dimensional array. That's why I am writing 2. You can write anything or you don't write anything. Basically this 2 and 1 will indicate it is a two-dimensional array. So 2 1, if I want to see the value of 2 1 means this is 0, this is 1. This, first of all, you have to select the rows 0 1 2. This is the 2 and 1, then again 0 and 1. So our answer will be 8. So I think you understand. But we'll do the practical also. The same thing. See, if you want the answer must be 8, I am telling you how. See, first of all, this is rows, so you have to go to the second row, 0 1 2. Second row means this is a 0, basically 0 1 2, second row, and then first column, that is 0 and 1. So your answer must be 8. So when I run this, I am getting 8. Similarly, if you want to see, let us suppose 2 2. I think now you are champion. This is 0 1 2 and this is 0 1 2. So probably our answer will be 9. When I run this, I'll get 9. See, it is very easy to understand the NumPy. Since most of the tutorials have only the commands, so the people is not able to understand, the person is not able to understand what exactly they want to tell. So I am showing you the practical. That is the first time in the, I think, on the YouTube, where you can learn it in a much better way. So let's move forward. See, again, one very important aspect. If you want to pick a whole row or column, you just have to write this A2 2. Since, see, when I want to see 2 rows, means then I am taking this and this. But if you take it single, that will give you a complete row. If you provide column and 1, this means, this column means the entire matrix, and from 1 means you have to select the first column. So we'll do this, and then I am telling you how this answer will come. I am just taking this command here, and when I run this, see, A22 means only its second row we want. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So probably we will get 7 8 9. See, 7 8 9. I hope you understand. So next will be, if you want to see, if we run this, see, so this means there is any matrix, but first see, this column means the entire matrix, and 1 stands for the column. Since first value is the row, so it is not mentioned, it means it is entire, and for 1 it means this is 0 and 1. So our answer must be 2 5 8. So we'll run this and we'll check. See, 2 5 8. If you want to see like 0, if you write 0, what is the probable answer? You just mention on the comment box before proceeding further. But I am telling you the answer. Its answer would be the first, this 147. So I'm running this, 147. Hope you understand the two-dimensional array now in a depth. So we'll move forward. So before starting the three-dimensional array, first of all you have to understand the three-dimensional arrays look like this. There are 3 matrices. So the first is this I, this is J, and this is K. So this is the number of matrices, then this is rows, and this is column. So first of all we create one 3 by 3 matrix for you, so that 3D array for you, so that you can have a complete visualization of that. So I am pasting here and run this. When I run this, you see, I want to see it how it look like. So when I'll run this, you see this is a 3-dimension array.